Oh, happy Sunday fun day. We gotta take the ride off over the lake to do something I forgot to do and I need to do, so I'm gonna go do it. Should have did it yesterday when it was 52, but today is 22. I'm gonna take Blister with me. Hey, you dear, are you from around here? Where the white women at? Well, we made it. Some bitch are the back roads rough in Pennsylvania right now. My guts are all stirred up like the leader of Iran's brains right now. Gotta take these 2 lag bolts out of here. Well, thank God that big job's over with. Yeah. Doesn't really look like a good day for boating. And I don't do ice fishing. But I've told you guys before, this is a plastic floating dock made by Easy Dock. It's meant to be stayed in year-round. Now, when the ice thaws out at the lake, this dock needs to move around just a wee bit, and I don't want it damaging those luxurious steps I built. All by myself, I might add. I've had that dock 10 years now. 0 problems. Well, while we're over here, we thought stop and see my buddy Andrew's new shop. I haven't seen it since he got it done. Got him a nice little lean-to on the side, which he's eventually going to close in. He's a contractor, so he's going to put cultured stone there. Probably about the same as what he's got around his house, I reckon. Huh. Words to live by, I guess. Holy moly. He's even got a batting cage in here for his son. What's he doing?
You gotta take care of your shit.
Will you come over and clean my gutter out too?
Yeah, I like clean gutter.
I got beer. Batter up. He's got a heated floor. He's kind of fancy. Remember my buddy Andrew? He's a builder. Pretty badass one too, I'd say. He covered his whole bench top with stainless steel. I like it. Of course, we got refreshments. How about it? Got a nice utility room. Propane heat. I don't know who plumbed that, but I know it sure wasn't me. Got a nice stairway going up to the loft. Andrew and Ed Zach are the ones that taught me how to build stairs. Holy shit, this is big up here. This would make a nice bar. At least he finally smartened up and got rid of his gay-ass Dodge. 48 by 80 foot long. He's got a badass tool room here too, underneath his loft. I gotta switch over to the LEDs, I reckon. I want to do this loft thing in my shop, but I didn't build the ceilings high enough. These are 18-foot ceilings. Tank, come here, Tank. What do you think? I bet that pallet jack works pretty frackin' handy for your plow.
As handy as could be.
It's Boston, baby! Gunner, you seem to like the box. I don't blame you, I do too. Andrew, how's your feet feel?
Nice and warm.
How about you, Blister?
Pretty damn warm.
Feet are warm, 60 floor with a heated floor. Well, that bitch is really humming. So these sons of bitches says I can't hit the bitch. Well, I grew up with Pete Rose. Hang on to your hose, sons of bitches. How about it? Me and Pete Rose used to be in the major league, but you know, we were into drinking and gambling and chasing hoes, so we didn't go too far.
You got 10 more balls left.
Hey, Tabernacle, and catch my breath out back. We'll be back in a second, boys. Oh!
I can't believe you missed that.
Out the park! How about it? Andrew, you got me another beer?
Honestly, that blew my mind. Impressive. You hit them all at 60 miles an hour.
I fucking played Little League, bitch.
What's even more impressive, it's only 35 feet away at 60 miles an hour.
Just goes to show you, alcohol does not impair your reflexes, you dumb sons of bitches.
Yeah.
Andrew even Googled it.
A 60 mile per hour pitch thrown from 35 feet away feels significantly faster, equating to roughly 100 to 105 miles per hour in terms of reaction time compared to a standard 60'6" mound. Damn, Big Bopper.
You heard it right there. Where's Pete Rose? We're going back on the mound, boys.
That's impressive.
Fucking A.
Big Bopper, I can't believe you're hitting that machine at 60 miles an hour. That's like 105 in major leagues.
Well, I used to play, you know. I used to play hard. Oh, wait. Pete Rose is calling me, boys. Yo, Pete. Yeah, we're going back to Cincinnati, bitch. I apologize for the 5-minute video, boys, but me and Pete Rose and Johnny Bench and Joe Morgan are going drinking tonight. I'll see you sons of bitches tomorrow.